Dear Sir, we thank you for your letter of the 20th March. We are extremely happy to receive your esteemed order for the manufacture of steel boxes for keeping important documents and confidential papers. The enclosed printed pamphlet will show you the various steel articles made by us and the time within which they will be supplied, including those required by you. From the pamphlet, you will find that type number 7 is nearer to the measurement indicated by you. It is ideally suited for purposes you have in view. Para, of course, minor alterations or additions can be provided at additional cost to serve any special use. On receipt of your confirmation, we will immediately take up the work, make every effort to supply you the boxes within the time stipulated. The boxes, as desired, will be painted black outside and green inside, and the locking arrangement is special. The prices are shown in the pamphlet itself. Local taxes will be extra. In this connection, we invite your special attention to type number 9 of the steel cabinets, which are available in different sizes. They can be very easily handled and are specially made for keeping records. They are guaranteed rust proof and can be got in any color. Para, for orders costing more than rupees 5,000, which offer a special discount on 10%, assuring you of our service at all times. Thanking you, yours faithfully.